This video will discuss mood. Mood is the atmosphere or the emotional setting created by a piece of literature. Mood is the emotions that we feel while we are reading. Some literature makes us feel happy or sad, while others make us feel joyful, and even others can make us feel angry. Types of mood include scary, romantic, mysterious, violent, sympathetic, hopeful, angry, anxious, calm, cautious, excited, friendly, fearful, frustration, funny, gloomy, happy, joyful, lonely, mischievous, optimistic, patriotic, peaceful, pessimistic, playful, proud, relaxed, sad, serious, shocked, silly, suspicious, terrified, thoughtful, upbeat, worried. Here are two settings that can be described similarly to start. They are both houses, they both have trees and shrubbery, they are both surrounded by a clean yard, but that's where the similarity ends. One setting is bright and inviting with sunlight and flowers. The other setting is dark and intimidating with shadows and trees with no leaves. We could say that the mood that the first house brings us is peace, so it is a peaceful mood. The second house brings us fear, so it is a fearful or threatening mood. A second way to identify the mood is to consider the word choice the author uses. For example, how are things described? What word choices or diction are used to make us feel emotions? Writers will use imagery to describe the setting so that readers can picture in their minds how the setting looks, smells, sounds, etc. Read the paragraph and pick out the words that could identify the mood. During the holidays, my grandma's yard dazzled anyone who passed by. She always had twinkling lights on her porch, colorful and bright decorations on the trees, and festive music playing over a loudspeaker. We would drink hot cocoa at the outdoor fire pit and sing carols loudly, encouraging the neighbors to join in. It was an open invitation for all passerby. What words did you choose from the paragraph that made you feel an emotion? What emotion did you feel reading the paragraph? The word choices dazzled, twinkling, colorful, bright, festive, encouraging, open invitation all make us feel happy, joyful, cheerful, and merry. In time, moods convey emotion and feelings and add interest to any story or situation. Without moods, life would be dull and boring.